Hello, Dee.
Hi, Paul.
We want to talk about our two-part workshop called Steps Towards Spiritual Development. Now, I don't think we quite did the write-up as well as we could for this workshop because it is going to be really a very good and interesting workshop, possibly quite challenging as well. So you need to be on your toes.
Yes, that's something that is very hard to convey on a description, just exactly how impactful we make certain workshops. And with this one, we had a very clear idea in mind, didn't we, Paul?
We do. And I want to outline some of the aspects of it which may start to make you think and wonder, is this actually something I need to do? So, people who are spiritually inclined very much will um, perhaps say yes to go onto their spiritual path. They might start to meditate or do healing or do some courses or
They dabble in the level of spiritualism.
yes, I guess it can be a little bit like a weekend pastime, really, in some ways. But you know, if you really ask Spirit and say to Spirit that you choose a spiritual pathway, then sooner or later there are going to be challenges, and they might be quite big challenges in your life.
Yes. The idea of spiritual living really is living and communicating your truth, no matter how difficult that is. And the devotion to spirituality is knowing yourself and knowing your own innate gifts that must be walked in alignment to spirit. So when you do see a lot of things in your life that maybe they're not compatible with or they are challenging it, it requires a great amount of faith in your own sense of spirituality to be able to move past those obstacles and allow yourself to grow, no matter how hard the choice or how big the confrontation had to be.
Yes, well, that's really the case that sometimes if there are elements of your life that are not compatible with spiritual growth, are not compatible with your spiritual path, but perhaps they are aspects of your life that you feel attached to or that you're familiar with or that are maybe the things where you have a lot of security around, then those things at some point are going to challenge you. So you're going to be challenged to ask that question, well, do I choose this spiritual path fully or maybe only a little bit of it and then travel over this way just so I can keep my life comfortable? And that is a big challenge because sometimes what happens if you do manage to say yes more fully to your spiritual path is that you'll come to a time where you need to release some aspects of your life and step into the unknown. And stepping into the unknown for all of us as humans can be frightening because we don't know what will be there. But like Dee has said, this is where we need to rely then on our faith.
Yes, the faith that where we are in this unknown place is where we're going to grow the most.
That's right. So this is what we're going to explore in this two-part workshop. We're going to ask questions about you. We're going to be asking questions about areas in your life that might be incompatible with your spiritual growth. And what do you want to do about that? What are you prepared to do about that? What are you brave enough to do about that? And you might not be ready yet. At this stage, it might be just a matter of acknowledging, finding out what you truly need so you can live a life more fully aligned to your spiritual growth.
We can't wait to share this two-part course with you. It's going to be part of our programs on Thursdays, starting December the 3rd, 7 o'clock Australian Eastern Time, 8 a.m. for our friends in the UK.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much for your interest.
See you soon. Bye.